Welcome to Craftify AI tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate all of the different Google assets to Craftify AI so that you can track all of your ads, how your performance is going, your website, all sorts of different things. So, first of all, we'll start off by heading over to your settings section, scrolling down to integrations, and you'll scroll down until you find Google Search Console and Google Analytics. We're going to do both of these at the same time. They're both very similar, working with the same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and click connect, choose the account that's relevant to my Google console, the one that you've made the account with, for example. You'll go ahead and accept all of the terms and conditions, click allow, and it's that easy. Craftify is already connected to the domains that are connected uh, to that specific login. Now, same for Google Analytics. I'm going to do the exact same thing. Click connect, choose Craftify. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and say allow. And automatically, it's that quick. It's already connected to my Google Analytics. All right. So, in the next video, you're going to learn about how to see your insights.